Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works correct and fast. We can unlock the device less than in a couple of seconds. So this is the good result for the face unlock feature. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.